He's good.
I understand this in the answers of national security, sir. But to take the stress into my person, sir.
On January 26, 2025, outside a crowded bar, one man is about to give officers an excuse they have never heard before.
Cuffs? Fuck cuffs. You just assaulted another guy. You just punched 3 people there.
Alright, let's get him up.
One. Roll him over. Roll him over to the grab his feet. Sir, grab his feet. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Put him on the wall. 2-2. Right? Yeah. That's a criminal, but I'm not testifying. You got anything on you that's gonna poke me?
I have a knife.
Where's your knife?
My knife is in my right pocket. Jacket pocket or pants pocket? Pants pocket. Please remove it from my person, sir! Please remove it from my person, sir!
Yeah, we are. Hold on.
Please remove it from my person!
What was it doing? Just fighting?
Sir! We got here, and he hit this guy in his shoulder, and while we were in here, he just shook his truck. I have an knife. We got it.
Alright, yeah. Anything else on you?
We're gonna help you out once you're done.
I have my knife.
We're gonna help you out.
AirPods pocket in my shirt. AirPods are by you, sorry. AirPods are by you. I am involved in my shirt. Please stop. You are now. Please corroborate the question, sir. I have no unlawful weapons on my person, sir. We got you.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah. Alright, let me see this one of you.
Weapons on my person, sir.
Hold on, just turn around, turn around. You got anything on your jacket?
I am distressed because I am being searched, sir.
Alright, he's good.
I understand this in the answers of national security, sir. But to take the stress into my person, sir.
The charge that actually stuck was disorderly conduct, not assault. And that's the twist worth understanding. Prosecutors only needed to show his conduct was likely to disturb the peace, a much lower bar than proving an assault. That's a fine and a court date, not jail time, which is a lighter outcome than the video's opening assault framing suggested. The bigger legal question is the search, and under Chimel versus California. Once you're lawfully arrested, officers can search you immediately, with no warrant required. That's why his objections, from national security to facial identification, carried zero legal weight, and no warrant or consent was ever required.
All right, let's bring him in the car. Where?
No. We ain't go with my person, sir.
Take it easy. Yeah.
Take it easy before you fall. We're trying to help you out.
Relax, my man. Just relax. Just relax.
Please leave me away to rest.
Look at this.
Sir. I'm close to the vehicle, sir.
Alright, vaccine sex prior.
Put your hands in there, watch your head. Put your other foot in there. Put your foot.
Hey, bro, I got it. I got it. Yeah, give me it back.
All right, so
Yeah, I just gotta get their information and shit.
Yeah.
All that.
yeah, so one of the officers.
Thank you.
I'll have just a couple of officers come back over.
All right, yeah. I guess have Mark get all the information. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
We got it.
If you can, just get me pedigree information.
I'm getting the victim's info. I'm trying to get all the witnesses' info.
Yeah, 'cause I don't want you to go by yourself. I'll have headquarters with you.
All right.
So look, take your time.
All right.
So that's how it started.
Okay.
It's just a simple assault. He like punched her or something.
Okay.
Just so you know exactly what transpired.
Well, so hold on one second. So we're gonna actually, can we just? He's gonna go over there and talk to you guys. Just to get it in order.
What can we do?
So just yes. So he was.
Let me take him out of here.
Yeah, I'm gonna be up
You all right, dude?
I'm in pain.
All right, we're gonna get you on in a second, all right?
Come on, sir. We're gonna take that off for you.
I know.
I know, we got you. We're gonna help you out.
I am in pain.
Relax, my man. Relax.
We're gonna help you out. All right, we got you.
I am in pain.
We got an ambulance coming for you. We'll take care of you. Look at me.
Look at me. Look at me, sir. Sir. Stop moving.
Okay,
Stop moving.
I want to take your cuffs off.
Stop moving.
Do what?
Come on. Come on.
No, turn around.
Come on. Stop turning around. Stop turning around. Come on.
Sir. Sir.
Relax. Relax, my man. Relax. You're in charge. Let's look at this.
We're gonna help you out. We're gonna get your hand first.
No, just run this couple of our spots, and we don't have many right now. New Jersey, Yankee.
Look among my fingerprints. Look among my finger ID. Look among my facial ID. I do not care. I need to be allowed to return to my job.
Hey, Nick,
You will.
couple cars, huh?
You will. Come on, man. Come on.
I need to be allowed
I'll
to
let you walk freely. Relax.
Let me allowed to return to my job, sir.
Face this wall real quick.
I am facing the wall.
As soon as I take these cuffs off you, you're gonna put each hand on the wall, right?
I am going to put each hand on the wall.
Lost, fourth line, easy 25.
Left hand on the wall.
Let's hand on the wall. Right hand on the wall as soon as possible, sir.
Give me a second, my man.
It's okay. Let me know when I am free to move.
Go ahead, put on the
I
wall.
am on the wall, sir. My face is facing right, sir.
Keep your hands there. We got gloves there? Shut. No.
My body is free of weapons, sir.
132.
Any drugs? Marijuana?
No drugs,
Cocaine?
sir. No drugs,
Anything?
sir.
The force used to restrain him is judged under Graham versus Connor, which asks whether officers acted reasonably given what they knew in the moment, not hindsight, against an actively resisting suspect who had already struck multiple people. That response holds up. He also had a right to stay silent, guaranteed under Miranda versus Arizona, and simply chose not to use it.
Please feel free.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I am free to see.
Have a seat, my man. You're good. You're okay.
May I place my hands on my lap?
Are you
sir?
righty or lefty?
I am ready.
All right, good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have an ambulance come check you out, and then from there we're gonna continue our paperwork. Okay? Just hang tight.
He's
Yep. Secure to the bench. And got the red nails.
Officers get an A- for a controlled arrest and proper procedure under Graham versus Connor. Venue security gets a B. Since private citizens can legally use reasonable force to stop an assault they witness in progress, the suspect gets an F. For escalating a fight into a search he had no legal ground to resist. 3 quick takeaways. Once you're arrested, officers do not need your permission or a warrant to search you. Claiming authority you don't have will never stop a lawful search. And the right to remain silent only works if you actually use it. For more Bodycam legal breakdowns, subscribe. We post every week. Tell us in the comments if disorderly conduct was the right call. See you in the next one.